people knew her by her will, to make it whatever she put her mind to. Late night hours up the hill, serving coffee to strangers, talking about revenue. She kept dreaming of a world big enough for everyone, and she knew it must rain before it grows. She kept dreaming of the day butterflies survive the wheel, even though she got knocked down and never showed. Dear Lily, where'd you go? Where's your heart at? Why'd you fall back? Lately your afterglow is shining brighter, waking up an easy egg.
So now my meat is ready, and I want to proceed to the next stage of boiling it. The pork is well sauteed. I've removed the sharp bones. As I've told you, I remove the sharp bones because I have small children, and sometimes it becomes a risk when you leave the bones there, and when they boil they become too sharp and they can just be dangerous. So these are mint leaves, and I want to tell you something about these mint leaves. There's a video I did about preserving this mint leaves in the fridge, and how you tie them around in the kitchen towel and put them in a Ziploc bag so that they can stay fresh. These ones have stayed there for 4 weeks now. Of course they are not as fresh, but you can see we have some elements that are not that fresh, and I've cut them out from their stem. So in the stem that is holding them, you'll find that they are not so fresh, but you have these fresh ones. Yes, you have these fresh ones that you can be able to use. So this is what I'm using because this is what is available, and it's as good as it's coming from the garden. So from there I have 3 cubes here. 2 are ginger cubes. I told you that I normally blend out my ginger and freeze it in the fridge. Let me know if you'd love a video on that. And then I have a spice cube here, which is, you can use a seasoning like a beef cube or chicken cube, just something that will give this pork good flavor. Lastly, we have these sprigs of rosemary that I've just cut out from a bush outside where I live. So we are going to be putting them as they are, whole as they are, in this pot. So let's transfer this into the Instant Pot, then I'll show you from there.
Morning has broken, my windows are open. Wanna feel the wind blow through my hair. Which way do I follow? What happens tomorrow? I turn to you and hope you can guide the way. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So I lean on you when I'm lost my way. I keep holding on for a better day. I lean on you when the world's astray. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. I left my heart open so you hear my prayer. In times that are changing and when hope is fading, I know I can turn to your embrace. 'Cause there's so much beauty under your heaven, and I'm grateful every day. Sometimes I give up, just wanna be on my own. Even in the darkest times, you give me hope. So
right, so at this point our meat is well done, and this instant pot just sorts me so much because in 10 minutes, of course, it took a bit to build up the pressure, but the 10 minutes were enough to cook this pork, which looked a bit tough in the beginning. So after that, I just I drained out the broth. I personally don't use the pork broth on anything, so I drained it out, and now it's time to cook this on high heat, because this is what is going to change it from just being the normal meat to the grilled or nyama choma. So we are going to cook this on high heat, and the spices have infused so well into this pork, you can taste them. So I added in a bit of oil, because the oil is what is now going to begin to dry it out, to fry it as it's cooking on high heat, and the oil meets the heated pan. The meat begins to brown, and as it begins to just brown a bit, put in your onions. I mixed white and red, and they give such a beautiful flavor at the end of it. I also added in some garlic. It is not a must, but it is something I just added because I had some that had been blended out. So that is just what I'll continue doing until this begins to roast on the pan. And it is so simple, guys. You will love this recipe. If you're joining this channel for the first time, I just want to give you a big welcome. Sorry, I'm doing it in the middle of the video, but I just wanted you to catch up with what we are doing today, enjoying the music, looking at this amazing recipe. So feel welcome. And to my returning viewers and subscribers, I can't thank you enough. God bless you. Thank you for the support that you have accorded me, and let's grow together, and so that we can be able to just do this together. So this meat is coming up so well. The taste was heavenly. It is so amazing just how simple this recipe is, and how you can be able to turn. You can do this with goat, but when I'll be doing a goat of the same recipe, I'll tweak in a bit of the spices, and I'll share with you when I get there. So this is just the final outcome. I garnished with a bit of dhania or coriander, and after that, I didn't cook it for any longer. I switched off the fire, and this is the final outcome, guys. So yummy, so amazing. What was just remaining was just to serve the ugali and mboga. My good help had already done ugali and some the kienyeji mbogas, which are the traditional mbogas, and we just had an amazing meal out of this. Let me know how you do your pork, and if you would be willing to try this. I'm calling this pork choma with no grill or oven. So this is what we've got, and I can tell you that it's something worth your time and worth trying. Look at that plate. It's so delicious, so delightful, and we just thank God that you're able to enjoy these good things. And thank you for watching this video to this end. I love you, and God bless you.
Who am I that the maker of heaven would love me and know me by name? In a world where I feel like a stranger, His love came and found me the same. In each breath that I breathe, when I wake or I sleep, everything I need is found in You.